So this week, we wanted to show you how to make a northern-style cold salad, Liangban Sansi. It's a great side dish for a big meal and pretty easy to whip up. Now, this dish is really more of a basic approach than a recipe per se. There's a lot of different combinations, but a big constant here is the dressing. So, to make that dressing, we'll need 1 part light soy sauce, so here about 1 tablespoon, 1 part sugar, so another tablespoon, a touch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, and 3 tablespoons dark Chinese vinegar. Mix that sauce well. And besides that, another component of our dressing here is gonna be some quick chili oil. It's made with 6 dried Sichuan Argentine chilies. You could use heaven-facing, arbols, really whatever. Just slice into 1-inch pieces, and also a 1/2 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorn to go along with it. 2 other important seasonings for our salad are garlic, 2 cloves roughly minced, and cilantro, about 4 sprigs cut into 2-inch sections. So as I said, there's a bunch of different stuff you could toss in here. We chose the classic combination of carrots, tofu skins, and kelp. Feel free to play around with this and make it your own. Just get things into strips no matter what. To prep that kelp, take 20 grams, rinse in cool water, and let it soak for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, scrub the kelp clean till the water runs clear. Not sure about elsewhere, but kelp's often a bit sandy as sold here in China. Wring out the water, spread it out, and to julienne, just wrap the sheet up and slice downward to get nice 3mm wide pieces. Then loosen them up and give them a quick chop in each direction and toss in a bowl. Tofu skins, real easy. Just grab 100 grams, roll it up and julienne in the same way. Loosen those up, cut again in each direction, and put aside. For the carrot, another 100 grams, to julienne, first slice downward into sheets, and then down into those sheets to get nice slivers. And now, we can blanch all these. Get a pot of water to a boil and toss in your carrots. Carrots blanch real fast, so after about 10 seconds, just take them out and spread evenly over a strainer. Don't rinse these. After about a minute, they'll be cool enough to handle, so toss in a bowl and put in the fridge for at least 30 minutes and up to overnight. Next up, tofu skins. These guys take about 3 minutes to blanch. They'll be done once you can no longer taste any lingering grassiness. Then same deal, spread over a strainer, and after a minute or 2, toss in a bowl and put in the fridge for at least 30 minutes and up to overnight. Last up, the kelp. We're blanching this last because kelp's like super slimy. The blanch will help remove some of the slime, but it'll also thicken this water here. Boil for about 2 minutes. Then, you guessed it, spread over a strainer, wait a minute, toss in a bowl, then in the fridge for at least 30 minutes and up to overnight. After those are chilled to your liking, take them all out, toss in that chopped cilantro, and start to mix together. Realize that your good-looking bowl's way too small for this, swap to something bigger, and combine well. Now right, for the oil, toss 3 tablespoons oil in a cool pan, and over medium flame, immediately go in with the chilies and the Sichuan peppercorns. Fry for about 2 minutes till it's all just smelling great, and take everything out. Now place your chopped garlic over the vegetables, and toss a couple of those fried dried chilies for color, because why not? Now place that pan of chili-infused oil over max flame until it's starting to smoke, or about 200 centigrade. Pour the hot oil over specifically the garlic to bring out a nice garlic taste. Now add a touch of toasted sesame oil, about a teaspoon, and optionally a sprinkling of white sesame seeds. Now pour your sauce all over everything, mix well for a few minutes, transfer back to your good-looking plate, and your Liangban Sansi is done.
So this combination is actually one of the classics, but you can also put in cucumber, salted glass noodles, cabbage, onions, or whatever. So check out the other link in the description box for detailed recipe. A big thank you for everyone that's supporting us on Patreon. And of course, subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos.